I must to take this trailer. This trailer also empty, and we go to factory and we must again change trailer. Again and again changing trailer today. Let's go, guys! I arrive quickly, changing trailer, take full trailer and go, come back in Poland. Connecting this trailer and go. Weather today very well. I'm working from 2 p.m. and little bit tight, but I starting my working day at 2 a.m. It's really little bit difficult, but my coffee give me power. Guys, I go at home, but I don't have enough working time. I need 4 hours and I will at home, but I have only 3 hours. I will make break 9 hours and will at home tomorrow.
Now I'm fighting with my hands up. Feel the bullets from your head rush.
I have only 2 hours for driving, but I need 3.5 hours. 3 hours 30 minutes. Look. Okay. Plus 1 night in a cab. Really, I am I sleep in truck better than home, really. I don't know why. I think I maybe know why. Because I'm here. Because here I'm working. Sometimes working, hard working. And when you tired, you sleeping very well. I don't do at home nothing. Good all day, I don't know. Walking. I do at home don't hard things.